नमस्कार मित्रांनो, माय बेस्ट गुरु चॅनलमध्ये आपले मनापासून स्वागत. आम्हाला प्रोत्साहन देण्यासाठी सबस्क्राईब बटनवर क्लिक करून सबस्क्राईब करून आम्हाला मदत करा, म्हणजे आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी घेऊन येऊ जास्तीत जास्त व्हिडिओज. तसेच आमच्या नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळण्यासाठी घंटीच्या चित्रावर क्लिक करा.
Hello learners, it's chapter number 14, Measurement and Effects of Heat. Important topics in this lesson: heat, temperature, effects of heat. One A. Whom should I pair with? Number A, B. Number 1. Temperature of healthy human body. 2. Boiling point of water. 3. Room temperature. 4. Freezing point of water. 296 Kelvin. 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 0 degree Celsius. 212 degree Fahrenheit. Answer: Number A, B. 1. Temperature of a healthy human body 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. 2. Boiling point of water 212 degree Fahrenheit. 3. Room temperature 296 Kelvin. 4. Freezing point of water 0 degree Celsius. B. Who is telling the truth? Point A. The temperature of a substance is measured in joules. Answer: it is false, because temperature is measured in degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit or degree Kelvin. B. Heat flows from an object at higher temperature to an object at lower temperature. Answer: it is true. C. Joule is the unit of heat. Answer: it is true. D. Objects contract on heating. Answer: it is false, because objects expands on heating. E. Atoms of a solid are free. Answer: it is false, because atoms of solid are not free. They are lightly packed with each other. F. The average kinetic energy of atoms in a hot object is less than the average kinetic energy of atoms in a cold object. Answer: it is true. C. You will find if you search. A. A thermometer is used to measure dash 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 temperature. B. The apparatus used to measure heat is called a dash 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 calorimeter. C. Temperature is the measure of the dash 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 kinetic energy of the atoms in a substance. Average. D. The heat continued in a substance is the measure of the dash 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 kinetic energy of atoms in the substance. Total. Question number 2. Nishigandha. Number 2. Nishigandha kept a vessel containing all the ingredients for making tea in a solar cooker. Shivani kept a similar vessel on a stove. Whose tea will be ready first and why? Answer. 1. The solar cooker focuses the available sunlight at a certain point. The vessel kept at that point for cooking. 2. It needs time to warm as sunlight reach on earth is less. 3. On a stove, fuel burns instantaneously and provide large amount of heat. So, Shivani's tea will be ready first because she uses stove, and Nishigandha's tea will take a time as solar cooker is used. Question number 3. Write brief answers. A. Describe a clinical thermometer. How does it differ from the thermometer used in laboratory? Answer. The thermometer that is used when someone has fever, that thermometer is called thermometer. As the body temperature of a healthy person is 37 degrees Celsius, clinical thermometers are designed to measure temperatures between 35 degrees Celsius and 42 degrees Celsius. Clinical thermometer has a narrow glass tube which has a bulb at one end. The bulb and part of the tube is filled with a mercury. Mercury was used, but as it is harmful for us, it has been replaced with alcohol. The laboratory thermometer differs in the range of temperature with clinical temperature. B. What is the difference between heat and temperature? What are their units? Answer. Number 1. Heat is a form of temperature measured which has the physical temperature or energy of the atoms in a substance. C. Explain the construction of a calorimeter. Draw the necessary figure. Answer. A calorimeter is used to measure the heat content of an object. Using this equipment, we can measure the heat produced or absorbed in a physical or chemical process. Construction: thermometer, stirrer, outer vessel, air cavity, inner vessel, heat resistant ring, heat resistant lid. Similar to a thermos flask, a calorimeter has two vessels, an inner and an outer one. This way, no heat can be transferred from the inner to the outer vessel or from the outer to the inner vessel. Thus, the inner vessel is thermally isolated from the surroundings. The inner vessel is made of copper. A thermometer for measuring the temperature and a stirrer for stirring the liquid in the calorimeter are fitted in it. D. Explain why rails have gaps at specific distances. Answer. A small gap is kept between them at regular intervals. This is kept to accommodate the change in the length of the rails with change in temperature. If this gap is not kept, then the rails will get distorted due to expansion in summer, which may lead to accidents. Hence, rails have gaps at specific distances. Explain with the help of formula the expansion coefficients of liquid and gas. Answer. Expansion of liquids. A liquid does not have a definite shape, but it has a definite volume. So we can define a volumetric expansion coefficient for a liquid as follows. Phi2 is equal to Phi1 into bracket 1 plus beta delta T. Here delta T is the change in temperature and Phi1 and Phi2 are the initial and final volumes of the liquid. Beta is the volumetric expansion coefficient of the liquid. The effect if heat on water is somewhat different from that for other liquids. This is called anomalous behavior of water. Expansion of gases. A gas does not even have a fixed volume. Gas expands on heating, but if the gas is kept in a closed box, its volume cannot increase, but its pressure increases. Answer. The expansion of a gas is measured by keeping its pressure constant. This volumetric expansion coefficient is called the constant pressure expansion coefficient and is given by the following formula. Phi2 equals to Phi1 into bracket 1 plus beta delta T. Here delta T is the change in temperature and Phi1 and Phi2 are the initial and final volumes of the gas at constant pressure. Beta is the constant pressure expansion coefficient of the gas. Question number 4. Solve the following examples. A. What must be the temperature in Fahrenheit so that it will be twice its value in Celsius? Answer. Let the temperature in Celsius equals to X. Temperature in Fahrenheit equals to 2x. Formula. F minus 32 divided by 9 equals to C divided by 5. Therefore, 2x minus 32 divided by 9 equals to x divided by 5. Therefore, 5 into bracket 2x minus 32 equals to 9x. Therefore, 10x minus 160 equals to 9x. Therefore, 10x minus 9x equals to 160. Therefore, x equals to 160 degrees Celsius. Temperature in Fahrenheit equals to 2 into 160 equals to 320 degree Fahrenheit. B. A bridge is made from 20-meter long iron rods. At temperature 18 degrees Celsius, the distance between two rods is 0.4 cm. Up to what temperature will the bridge be in good shape? Answer. Given L1 equals to 20 meter, L2 equals to 20.004 meter, T1 equals to 18 degrees Celsius, T2 equals to question mark, T2 minus T1 equals to delta T, coefficient of linear expansion of iron equals to 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 liter per degree Celsius. L2 equals to L1 into bracket 1 plus lambda delta T. 20.004 equals to 20 into bracket 1 plus into bracket 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket complete delta T bracket complete. Therefore, 20.004 divided by 20 equals to 1 plus into bracket 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket complete delta t. Therefore, 1.0002 equals to 1 plus into bracket 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket complete delta t. Therefore, 1.0002 minus 1 equals to into bracket 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket complete delta t. Therefore, 0.0002 equals to into bracket 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 bracket complete delta t. Answer: delta t equals to 0.0002 divided by 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6. Delta t equals to t2 minus t1 equals to 17.4. Delta t equals to t2 minus 18 equals to 17.4. Delta t equals to t2 equals to 17.4 plus 18 equals to 35.4. The bridge will be in good shape up to temperature 35.4 degrees Celsius. C. At 15 degrees Celsius, the height of Eiffel Tower is 324 meter. If it is made of iron, what will be the increase in length in centimeter at 30 degrees Celsius? Answer: given L1 equals to 324 meter, L2 equals to question mark, T1 equals to 15 degrees Celsius, T2 equals to 30 degrees Celsius. Coefficient of linear expansion of iron equals to 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 liter per degree Celsius. L2 equals to L1 into bracket 1 plus lambda delta t bracket complete. L2 equals to 324 into bracket 1 plus 11.5 into 10 raised to minus 6 into bracket 30 minus 15 bracket complete. L2 equals to 324 into bracket 1 plus 11.5 into 10 raised to 6 into bracket 15 bracket complete. L2 equals to 324 into bracket 1 plus 0.0001725 bracket complete. L2 equals to 324 into bracket 1 plus 0.0001725 bracket complete. L2 equals to 324 into bracket 1.0001725 bracket complete. L2 equals to 324.056. Increase in height equals to L2 minus L1 equals to 324.056 minus 32.4 equals to 0.056 meter equals to 5.6 centimeter. D. Two substances A and B have specific heats C and 2C respectively. If A and B are given Q and 4Q amounts of heat respectively, the change in their temperatures is the same if the mass of A is m. What is the mass of B? Answer: given for substance A, specific heat equals to C, amount of heat equals to Q, mass equals to M, change in temperature equals to T. For substance B, specific heat equals to 2C, amount of heat equals to 4Q, temperature equals to T, mass equals to question mark. Q equals to M into C into inside the bracket T final minus T initial bracket complete. For substance A, Q equals to M into C into T. For substance B, let its mass be X. 4Q equals to X into 2C into T. Divide 1 by 2. Q divided by 4Q equals to M into C into T divided by X into 2C into T. Answer. Therefore, 1 divided by 4 equals to M divided by 2x. Therefore, 2x divided by 4 equals to M. Therefore, 1 divided by 2x equals to M. Therefore, x equals to 2m. The mass of substance B is twice of substance A. E. When a substance having mass 3 kg receives 600 calories of heat, its temperature increases by 10 degrees Celsius. What is the specific heat of the substance? Answer. Given mass of substance equals to 3 kg equals to 3000 gram. Amount of heat received by substance equals to 600 calorie. Temperature increase equals to delta T equals to 10 degrees Celsius. Specific heat of the substance equals to question mark. Q equals to M into C into delta T. Therefore, 600 equals to 3000 into C into 10. Therefore, C equals to 600 divided by 3000 into 10 equals to 0.02. Specific heat of the substance equals to 0.02 calorie per gram degree Celsius.